2,479 miles on a 21 Iron 883 in the Snake Venom color. It's green with an interesting hue to it. Very popular color after the fact. Everybody's looking for these. It's got the #1 on the tank. It's set up for 2-up riding. That's basically the only difference besides this weird looking license plate bracket it has from stock. Nice size seat for your passenger also. Usually people skimp on that. It's in excellent condition. Don't really see anything wrong with it. It's going to get a service and looked at and be ready for sale quite shortly. So if you're interested, hop on it quick because these are hard to find.